Hi my friends, you see here the Romanian genuine cork press. It is very simple, not like the other one. The corks sit in boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius and are placed in the device here as hot as possible. The device is placed on the bottle from here to here, and the handle rod is pressed quickly until the cork enters the bottle. You see now the device, the detail. This is a hardwood and is pressed inside the rod. With glue, and inside here is a copper armor. Also glue is used to place this bottom end to the upper one. You will have all the drawings for making this device. You see here the armor. This is the bottom part, view from bottom, and this is the way it is used. The hot cork just extracted from boiled water, placed here, and movement must be rapidly applied, simply and effective. This is the model to be created by us today, and these are the components. The body inside, this is the inside face, the body outside, the rod is here, the armor which goes inside this hole, and the rod terminator is here. All of them, all these drawings can be downloaded together with the parts. Let's start. New standard millimeters IM, place. We place the body inside first, open, grounded at origin, then the copper armor. This is the copper armor, and you will see when it is constrained with insert, this centers arc goes right here. Okay. See, it goes inside and is riveted here. Good. Then we place the upper component. It is also constrained as insert with this face and axis here. Okay, now it can be rotated. I don't want to be rotated because it is combined with this with glue. I use constraint to place this plane coincident with this plane. Okay, now you see the full body, but I don't like how it is placed here. Double click and I select the other option, not mate but flush. Okay, next is the rod. Place a rod and rod terminator, this one. We have to place the terminator with insert to goes with this cylindrical end inside the rod, as you can see. We apply mate, simple mate between these two. Okay, we place this somewhere to make room for the cork. Place the cork, constrain with insert again this face and axis on this face and axis. Yes. Okay, now we can move up and down the rod with the cork, of course. The last object is the bottle. This is grounded and the bottle is free. We apply insert, selecting a face circle, and no, I don't have here an end because this is spherical. Cancel. I only place axis to axis, apply, and now we find the position. How can we do this? We measure the length of the cork by using M from Monaco, which is measure. We select this face and also this face. The distance is 43. Then we measure also the distance between the cork and the face of the bottle. This is 76. 77. We apply constraint between with flush between this face of the cork and this face of the bottle. The distance 77. Not plus but minus. minus. Then we subtract 43 of the Cork and other 10 millimeters. Yes. Okay. And now what? Now I use this flash to drive this rod inside. From that value to 0. Take a look, but let me make it more visible. You see, the cork is at the level of the bottle. We go back, the cork remains here, of course, and we exchange this bottle with another one. We place a new cork and we close the bottle. Yes, all is technique. Everything is interesting and useful. Of course, you can create physically all these parts, of course. Now comes an interesting topic. What I present here is based on the existence of the components that appear in the assembly. Regarding this modeling, you have two options. One, to contemplate what I do and apply my actions by creating your own components of this assembly. And two, try to create the assembly using the actual components you see in the tutorial. If you want to create this assembly independently, you must own the component. That is, they must be yours. As separate creations that I made for the purpose of showing practical aspects in the tutorial, you can download the components only from assets. Access to assets is done by subscribing minimum to the level Journeyman membership. You see here the levels of membership: Core, Journeyman, Patron, Professional. Excepting Core, the other ones include the previous ones. That's all for today. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.